Our robot uses 4 sets of pneumatics. In this video, we'll show you how we made it. First, connect the pump to either one of the solenoids, then wire the solenoids to the brain. Next, use tubes to connect the pistons to the solenoids. Make sure that the A port on the cylinders are in the A port of the solenoids. Do the same for the B ports and all of your other pistons. Then, you use the T-fitting to connect tubes from both air tanks together. Then connect a tube to your pump and use a second T-fitting. One of the branches will be connected to the main line of the first T, and the other branch will be connected to the pump. The main line of the second T will branch out to the third T, which will create 2 tubes that use the fourth and fifth T's that connect into the 2 ports of the 2 solenoids.
Now, I'm going to teach you how to control a piston using one button in VEX IQ. First, you add a pneumatic solenoid in devices. I'm naming my 2 pistons Bob and Steve. First, I'm going to show you how to code Bob as an example. We start out by creating a boolean in the logic section and setting it to true at the start of the code. In my case, my boolean is named Bob in. Next, you add a controller in your devices section. Then, you set Bob to retract in the motion sensor so that when you start the code, Bob will retract automatically. After that, you attach an if-else block from the logic section to a when controller button pressed from the controller events and put Bob inside of your if-else block, so that when we press our controller button, it will check if Bob in is true or false. If Bob in is true, meaning Bob in retracted, then we will set Bob to extend, and then we will set Bob in to false, because Bob is not retracted anymore. Else, we will do the opposite by setting Bob to retract and setting Bob in to true if Bob is already extended. This is what the code for 4 pistons, Bob, Joe, Steve, and Alex would look like.
After downloading the code into the brain, this is the result. When we press one button, it'll extend. When we press it again, it will retract. Thanks for watching!
Please like and subscribe.